Stop scrolling right now, because what you're about to hear is absolutely heartbreaking, shocked, emotional. Pause. Millions of fans around the world are waking up to reports that Oliver Tree, the artist known for his unforgettable music, unique personality, and viral success, may have tragically lost his life in a horrific helicopter crash in Brazil. Sadness, disbelief. According to reports, the devastating accident happened on Sunday morning over Rio de Janeiro, when two helicopters allegedly collided in mid-air before crashing to the ground. Dramatic pause, tension. Emergency crews rushed to the scene, but authorities say all 6 people on board were killed. Heartbreak, silence. One of the helicopters reportedly crashed into a car dealership parking lot, where several electric vehicles caught fire after the impact, creating a terrifying scene of smoke, flames, and destruction. Serious tone, concern. Among the names listed on the passenger manifest was American singer, rapper, and entertainer Oliver Tree. Emotional pause, sadness. Authorities have stated that investigations are ongoing and that official identification of the victims is still underway. Respectful tone, caution. For many fans, this news feels impossible to process. Disbelief, sadness. Just one day before the reported crash, Oliver Tree appeared happy and full of life, sharing videos from Brazil, smiling, playing soccer, and enjoying his time with locals. Nostalgic, emotional. Nobody watching those videos could have imagined that only hours later, the world would be discussing such a tragic story. Pause, heartbreak. Oliver Tree wasn't just a musician, he was a symbol of individuality, inspiration, sincerity. With his iconic bowl haircut, colorful outfits, and unconventional style, he built a career by proving that being different could become your greatest strength. Uplifting, reflective. His hit song When I'm Down connected with millions of listeners around the world, while albums like Ugly is Beautiful, Cowboy Tears, Alone in a Crowd, and Love You Madly Hate You Badly showcased his creativity and emotional depth. Admiration, nostalgia. Behind the humor and outrageous stunts was an artist who often spoke about loneliness, self-acceptance, and overcoming personal struggles. Heartfelt, emotional. Fans connected with him not only because of his music, but because he reminded people that they didn't have to fit into matter. Inspiration, warmth. What makes this story even more tragic is that Oliver was reportedly in Brazil as part of a world tour, performing for fans and promoting new music. Sadness, reflection. He was actively creating, traveling, and sharing moments from what appeared to be an exciting chapter of his life. Emotional pause. Another reported victim in the crash was Argentine content creator Gaspar Prim Diaz, also known as Gaspy, adding even more shock to an already devastating incident. Serious tone. As investigators continue searching for answers, fans across social media are sharing their favorite songs, performances, and memories of Oliver Tree. Nostalgia, sadness. The comments are filled with disbelief, grief, and heartfelt messages from people whose lives were touched by his music. Emotional. Life can change in an instant. Reflective pause. One moment you're making plans for tomorrow, and the next, everything changes forever. Sadness. If these reports are ultimately confirmed, Oliver Tree will be remembered not only for his music, but for his authenticity, creativity, and his message that it's okay to be different. Heartfelt, inspiring. Our thoughts remain with the families, friends, and fans affected by this tragedy. sincere, respectful. And as the world waits for official confirmation and answers, one thing is certain: Oliver Tree's impact on millions of people will never be forgotten. Emotional, pause, fade out. What are your thoughts on this heartbreaking news? Emotional, invite engagement, pause. Share your memories of Oliver Tree in the comments below, and subscribe for further updates on this developing story. Calm, respectful, outro music.